Alright guys, I just got home from work, but on the way at home, nag-text ko sa akong mga inday, niya, si Keban siya ni-reply, nakatanaw dyan siya sa ako sa akong video nga akong gi-upload gani, kato, ganing, CQM. Ganahan siya, niya, nagluod siya, ano kanong wala, kano kung nakubutan niya yung mga names. So right now, I'll be making a video all for you guys. Alright, so, nakoy props, akala mo lang. See, I'm still so stressed. Kay mo pa man siya pag-uli na ako dito sa work, actually. Let's just open this one. Like that. So, I'll be singing you a song later. But before that, let me just introduce my Inday. So, first one, this, uh, this one is Daibanji. In Rangers, she is called Green Lily, but she's also I think she's Broken Heart. Yeah. So next way up is let's see, which way, which way? Ooh, oh, this way, this way. This one. It's so hard. Like, oh, yeah. This, this is Nigeria. She is known as Black Rose, also with the black heart. Yeah. So let's to the next page. Next in the way, right there. This one here. This is Dijanis. She is the blue orchid in the group. She's also named Loving Heart. Yeah. Next on the line. Oh, nataga ang tinidor. I don't know nga nang tinidor sa mga kwarto. Like this is Dailinette. She is known as Pink Flora as well as Sweating Heart. And this is Dinisa. She is known as Orange Chi or Orange Kalachuchi. Right? If you might be asking where is our name, and syempre do not forget. Yes. Ako ang pinakagwapo sa tanan. That is me. So class picture again. So that's it. So I'll be singing a song for you. So I just hope Mama Inday will remember. This is actually a song we composed back in second year college. I hope you will remember this one. So one, two, three, four. Iniwan mo ako na nag-iisa. Sumama sa iba, but sa best friend ko pa umiiyak ako, nasasaktan ako, di ko alam anong gagawin ko. I was afraid nang malaman ko na kayo na pala ng best friend ko. Nagseselos ako, ba't siya ang pinili mo? Nang malaman kong kayo na nga, ako'y tumakbo at umiiyak at sinabi sa sarili ko, siya ang pinili mo. Right. Those were the mo to siya kanta nga na compose naman within the group. So normally before we are called what's the first name of our group gani? Kuan mi ato sa unang cuties, give me cuties like five cuties, and then we become Power Rangers, and then we become basta daghan kami mga names, and then finally we stick to cuties and Rangers. So so I want also to sing the song to my Inday. I miss you, Day Gia, Day Banji, Day Janice, Day Lynette, and Day Nisel. I miss you guys. Hope to see you again soon. So this song is for you. My world seems so dark. I keep on wandering around, searching for someone helping hand. I had no word to say. I don't have even a chance to dream. Myself seems so empty. I have nothing to fill my life. How could I ever say I love you? How I wish to follow you. How can I thank you for your helping hand? You gave me hope and strength to stand. You gave me everything I need. You made me learn, you made me strong, you showed me the way. How could I ever say I love you? How I wish to follow you. How can I thank you for your helping hand? You gave me hope and strength to stand. You gave me everything I need. You made me learn, you made me strong, you showed me the way. How could I ever say I love you? How I wish to follow you. How can I thank you for your helping hand? You gave me hope and strength to stand. Yes, I miss you guys. Inday, Devanji, Regia, Reginis, and then Dai, Missel, I missed you. Let's meet each other again, huh? I miss you so much.